Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok family pairing. So this is ideal if you want to keep your kids safe when they're using TikTok. Open up TikTok here, then press the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then press the three little lines in the top right hand corner where you then want to press settings and privacy. Come down within the content and display section where you should see family pairing. It tells you a little bit what family pairing is. Press continue. Then says who is using the TikTok account. You can press teen, press next. You will need to scan the QR code from the parent's account, which will be yours, and then set up all the safety features for your kid to keep them safe online and make sure you can see that they're not seeing any harmful content. So hopefully this helps you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.